I'm Brett Turner. I recently completed my Masters at Manchester Met. One of the things that I enjoyed about the course was actually hearing from industry experts. Like, we'd get loads of experts coming in just telling us about loads of different relevant areas of topic and things that we could then potentially research and look into further. The facilities at Print City are really cutting edge. All the tutors and technicians are very, very experienced and very knowledgeable when it comes to actually using the technology. Upon completing my Masters course, I was then recruited for a placement through Made Smarter, which are basically a government-funded initiative which is looking to drive digital manufacturing within the UK. On the placement, I gained great, valuable knowledge of how manufacturing companies actually work and the industry standards that I need to adhere to. Without completing the Masters course, I definitely would not have been ready to actually partake in a role in industry straight away. After completing the placement, I then was asked to come in for an interview with Made Smarter. I had the interview and I was just offered a job to work there with them as a digital transformation specialist. The course offers numerous different perspectives on a wide range of digital manufacturing and just digital skills in general. So if anyone's looking to sort of pursue a career in technology, I'd say the course is definitely a great stepping stone in doing that, and it has opened up a myriad of avenues for me, and without the course I definitely wouldn't be where I am today.